Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to design this component. So let's begin. First, go to Create Sketch and you can assign view. I'm going to draw in front view. Click the square and now you can see slot here, which is the outer layer. So I'm going to draw a slot. So to draw that, first go to Create Sketch and you can see slots. Under that, you can see center to center slot. So click that center to center slot. And now you can see the distance between two slots is 60 mm. So point somewhere and draw 60 mm line, that slot line, and you can see the diameter 40. Okay, you have drawn a 60 mm slot, center to center distance slot, which has diameter 40 mm. I'd like to tell this. Okay. Now I need to draw a circle with diameter 20 mm. And also another circle right here with the diameter 20 mm. Okay, and they mentioned the distance between the line and the center of the circle is 40 mm. So I'm going to draw a random line, horizontal line, and I'm going to dimension it. The distance between the center of the line and the line, center of the circle and the line is 40 mm. Okay, I'm going to extrude it. So go to solid, extrude, click these two planes, slightly tilt the view, and you need to extrude it for 10 mm and give OK. Now you could see it's disappeared. So go here and click this eye icon. You can see the sketches again. Now I'm going to extrude this part alone to the distance of 30 mm because we have already extruded to 10 mm. Now we need to extrude it for 30 mm. Downward, upwards, minus 30 and give OK. Now we got this structure. Now you need to select this plane and create sketch, and we need to draw a circle which has radius 5 mm. That means diameter is 10 mm. So draw a circle with diameter 10 mm and go to line and draw a line above this. Okay. Now I'm going to use constraints. You can see tangent constraint. Click this and click this to line and circle. This line and circle. Now you can see it is arranged tangent to the circle is arranged tangent to this line and this line. Now I'm going to extrude it again. Slightly tilt the view and now we are going to start extrusion. click this area and go to solid, and you can see extrude. Now slightly tilt the plane, and you can see extrude. Give distance, you can see 40 here, so I'm going to give 40 as extrude distance. Slightly tilt the plane. No, it should be minus 40 here. Minus. You can see it's arranged properly. We got this curve with radius 5 mm. Now give OK. Again, we are going to work on the front view. So go to front view again. Zoom in. We got this area here in the front view. Now I'm going to draw a circle which has diameter 16 mm. Okay, and I'm going to extrude it again to the distance of 5 mm. So they have mentioned from the bottom it has to be 15 mm. We already extruded 10 mm, so I'm going to extrude it to 5 mm. So go to solid, extrude, click this plane, and now we need to extrude it to before that I would like to tell you, draw another circle. We have already drawn 20 circle, but it's okay to draw another circle to separate it. So solid again, extrude. You can see the ring is separated, and now we need to extrude it to 5 mm. Okay. Now again we need to go to bottom view. Now we are going to draw this part which has been circular part, but if you see in top view it has to be 2 mm radius distance. It has to be like a curve. You need to draw a circle here, and we need to extrude it to the entire circle. Let me show you how it's done. Go to create sketch again, click this plane. Now you need to draw a line. Slightly tilt the plane, and you can see center, and you need to draw a line in the top view, which means bottom view. I'm talking about bottom view. And now, because top view and bottom view is always same, so it's a bottom view here. The opposite to top view is bottom view, right? So now I'm going to draw a circle again. Before that, I'm going to draw an outer line like this, and I'm going to draw a circle with radius 4 mm, radius 2 mm, diameter 4 mm. You can see here radius 2 mm right here. So diameter 4 mm. Okay. Now I'm going to use constraints again, which is tangent constraint. Again, I need to check. tangent constraint. Click this line and this circle, this line and this circle. Okay, you can see an area is formed here. So go to solid and click this area. Go to solid and click this area. And now we are not going to extrude normal extrusion, it's revolve extrusion. So click this plane, that area, and now you need to click this center line as axis, and you see cut extrusion, you need to change it to join extrusion and give OK. Finally, we have obtained the object which is given in the diagram. Let me show you. This is the object which has to be made, and we have made the object, and you can see a radius of 2 mm, this curve, and a radius of 5 mm here. This is the video, guys. If you have any questions, please post it below. Thank you.